how to sign in to Wells Fargo online banking account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to Wells Fargo online banking account. For that, first of all, you'll need to visit the official website of Wells Fargo. Simply open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar here type in wellsfargo.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Wells Fargo. Once you reach this page, here at the top right, you will be able to see Sign On button. Simply click on it, and once after clicking on it, you will be presented with this interface on your screen. Here, you will be able to locate this login interface. Simply enter your username and password in this field. Click on the username field and there enter your username. Once after entering the username, now enter the password. Click on the password text box and then enter it. Make sure to enter it correctly. Once after entering the password, you may also click on the show option at the right side in order to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. Also, if you want to save a username for future logins, you may click on this checkbox right here, but make sure you are using your own laptop or mobile device. Alternatively, you may also use your passkey in order to log into your online banking account. Now, once after entering all the credentials correctly, go ahead and click on the sign on button right here in order to access your account. In case if you don't remember your password or username and you are not able to log into your account, then you may also click on this forgot username or password link at the very bottom, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to retrieve your login credentials. Also, if you don't have an account yet, you will need to enroll first. For that, click on this enroll option at the very top, and then you may need to provide your ATM, debit card number, or Wells Fargo account number, loan number, social security, or tax ID number. And after that, you can create your username and password. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign in or log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.